Hi, I'm Stacey Hawkins and welcome to another episode of Throw It Together Thursdays, the place to be if you crave flavor, if you crave weight loss results, but don't have a whole heck of a lot of time. Today I'm going to share with you my recipe for the perfect burger. I'm going to give you my 3 secrets plus 1 restaurant secret that I'm going to let out of the bag that's going to blow your mind. All right, are you ready to get started? First, we're going to start with about 20 ounces of lean beef. Now, my secret number 1 or tip number 1 is to use grass-fed, organic, lean beef. Why? I'm telling you, it's worth the extra money. It tastes amazing, and there's a lot less shrinkage with it, which means that when you put a 5-ounce patty on the grill, you're going to get a 5-ounce patty back. Not a lot of fat, not a lot of rendering, but a whole lot of flavor. So trust me on this one. Tip number 1, use good ingredients. Number 2 is seasoning. Now, this is a dirty little secret that I'm going to let out of the bag about restaurants. In order to make meat taste good, they put in a lot of salt. You don't want a lot of salt in your burger. Again, that is going to probably diminish your results, right? We're really trying to get rid of a lot of salt, but salt means flavor, so we're going to put other flavor in. In this case today, we're going to use my Simply Brilliant seasoning. Why? Because instead of salt, we're going to add lemon. That is my trick, lemon to your meat. Why? Because it adds exactly the same type of flavor because lemon and other acids actually light up the same area on your tongue. So to 1 pound of meat, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of the Simply Brilliant seasoning. In this case, I've got 20 ounces. So I'm going to add just a little bit more. And that's all you need to put in here. So once you've got this together, mix it all up. Combine everything together thoroughly, and then for easy portioning, form your beef into 1 big meatball, then take your knife, cut it in half, cut it in half again. And now my third trick is the shape of your patty. You want these to cook quickly. You don't want them to dry out. So you don't want to put a meat ball on the grill. You want to put a meat patty on the grill. So flatten these out so that they're just a little bit less than ½ an inch thick. And as I said, because you don't have a lot of shrinkage, this whole patty is going to be your dinner. We're going to take these, put them on the grill for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Again, depending on how thick they are and how hot you have your grill, which you want it somewhere around 350, and then cook it to your likeness. As soon as we come back, you're going to see just how quick, easy, and delicious these are. All right, are you ready for this? Now, even if you don't have an outdoor grill, that's completely okay. You can do this on the frying pan at home. You can do it in your broiler. You could also do it on a George Foreman style grill. But, oh, this smells so good. And look at how delicious. I wish you could see the smoke coming. Oh, you can see the smoke coming off of that. It's all set for its favorite condiments. Whatever you'd like, mustard, mayo, ketchup, whatever works with your program. The ultimate burger using good quality ingredients, good quality seasonings, and a little surprise. Lemon, who would have thought, right? Doesn't taste like lemon, but it has so much delicious flavor. I'm Stacey Hawkins for this recipe and more. Check out staceyhawkins.com. Have a great Thursday, everybody. Bye.